Hello, today we're going to change the belt on a 2003 Ford F150 4.6 liter. If you look under the hood, you should have the belt diagram for the 4.6. At the front of the motor, right here is your tensioner. We're going to loosen this up with a Serpentine belt tool. Part that you will insert into the tensioner, and here's the leverage bar. So you'll take the tool, insert into the tensioner pulley, have the extension. So once you've got it connected, you'll loosen it. I'm pushing it to the right. I'll loosen the belt and be able to take it off. So I just take it right off the alternator on the top. Took off the leverage bar so I can work. Got the belt loose. Came over top of the alternator right here. Right around the power steering pump down there. Comes over the water pump. Down there the crankshaft. Comes over the crankshaft. Hard to see, it's down there on the AC compressor. I'm gonna lay underneath just to bring it free from the AC compressor, and then go pull it up on top. Got it loose from the bottom, now I can just pull it through the top. So you'll push the belt, pull the belt free. Alright, got the new belt. I'm going to take the belt, slide it in between tensioner pulley and the idler pulley down to the AC. I'll put the belt on the AC pulley. Belt around the AC pulley. We're going to feed the top of the belt over the alternator. There you go, over the alternator, and then over the power steering down there. You can get to it from the bottom. So I get it fit around the AC, the crankshaft, and the power steering. I line it up on the bottom, and I'll go back on top. So you got it run on all the pulleys. And then we're going to use the tensioner pulley. When we get the tension, we're going to lift it up over the, we're going to lift it up on the water pump pulley. Pull back on. You'll move it to the right. You'll see you get that slack. And you'll be able to put the water pump pulley. There it is. Had to put the camera down to do it, but there it is. I can let off the tension. New belt installed. Tool out. Make sure everything looks good. They're all over the pulleys. That's how you install a Serpentine belt on a 2003 Ford F-150 4.6 liter. Hope this helped you out.